Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ram 2500 Tradesman 4x4, the 6.7 liter Cummins Turbo Diesel. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. Let's have the tow hooks up front. Power sliding back window, and it has a spray-on bed liner. Also, see that it does have a bed cover, tow package, chrome bumpers. Has fabric seats. See that it does have a ton of space. Give you a shot of this VIN right here, and I will upload some stills as well. Okay, and as we look down here, you'll see that it has 21,340 miles on this vehicle. Got your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, push button start. Just come down, there's your 2- and 4-wheel drive. And then down here you have auxiliary and USB and other ports right there. Coming on over here, you have your towing settings right here all together. I really like that. Okay, and then for the stereo, you see they do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Okay, and then here are your apps. You can see your backup camera from here without being in reverse. And then there's your compass. And then your settings and your audio settings as well. There's your glove compartment, your dash. And then down here you have your key fob. There we go, 3 cup holders right here, additional stowage and power supplies. That can fold up so that you can seat 6. And as you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights and glasses holder. So that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up here front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.